Imagine being just 10 minutes away from a major client meeting with nothing but messy Word docs and disorganized notes. Instead of panicking, you can instantly turn that raw text into a polished professional slide deck without any manual design work. I see our watch. Right then, you want to make that presentation amazing, but you don't have the resources, and you're thinking, what am I going to do? Well, don't worry. We're going to show you how to instantly convert your PDFs. Perhaps you've got Word docs everywhere, scattered all over your desktop, or just some raw text. We're going to convert them into highly structured layouts, going from 0 to presentation ready and being super effective and efficient while doing it. This is a total lifesaver, so get ready to impress your audience. As we can see here, you can refine your presentation with Docky. You can go ahead and just tell us your idea there. So with Docky, you just jump straight into a presentation simply by talking to the interface. That's all you have to do. Just make natural structural adjustments. So I'm going to put my document here, or I can use the menu, whichever. But here I can just talk to it like I would ChatGPT. So they're using the menu system or precise changes. You can do that to describe to AI, and then you can generate data visualizations, perhaps create data diagrams that make your business content more convincing. And then you can also add interactive features, 3D models, animations, and hover effects to make your delivery stand out. And we can see all the different themes we have here. So why I like this is that these tools simultaneously generate a matching speech alongside your slides, so it saves you even more time. You can upload your own company templates. The system just automatically adapts a presentation to match your brand. So here we can see the cover page, the executive summary. This is all looking good, the key metrics, and we can see the challenges, the blocking scale, the opportunities, all of that stuff, everything that we need, and even the final conclusions. On the left-hand side, we can see all the information. So we can see the outline here. If I want, I can go ahead and share this, but I don't exactly have to do that. We can see all the scale, the information here, and I know it's going to look absolutely amazing. Look how awesome this looks. Now, I just give it some general instructions, so I can edit this by coming over to the left-hand side here and just talking to it like I would an LLM, and then it gets everything done. Boom, I have North Star Consultant. I have all of my information here. Check it out. Got the momentum? This is looking absolutely amazing. This is looking great. Everything's looking absolutely great here. There's not much left for me to do, and I can just hit AI Rewrite and type anything. If I want to rewrite stuff, who cares? I can add 3D models, animation, hover effects. I can have it rewrite. Just tell the AI what to rewrite, and it'll do it. If you want it longer, shorter, if you want it to sound more business professional or tailored to your audience, this is the best way to do it. Docky is how you can do that right here. I can go ahead, and if I want to insert images or a graph, this is looking really good. We can see all the recommendations this has here. So we can see how this looks, and I just want to make the diagram look better and just say what to do. And this does it right here for me. If I want to have a different kind of graph in here, you can see the animation here, the entrance, having it come in advance with collision, with 3D models, with code art. Boom, I can do that. What I like about this is here, just make the 3D model here, and we're just going to zoom in. Look how awesome this looks. We can also see the inserts, the entrance, if we want to do a custom entrance, how that would work. It makes it really easy to do. If I want to add text animations, it's possible. Even the data right here, I'm going to do that. The original, the count, the chart glow, and then I'll just go ahead and generate. Now it's working, it's thinking, and we're having a look here. The onboarding, the operations, the hiring, this isn't just your average slide. This isn't just your average thing in PowerPoint or whatever it is. This looks absolutely amazing right here. So Northbridge Consulting, we've got all the animations here. We've got everything. If you want to change something, you do it on the side menu, just like you would with an AI or an LLM. Here we can see all of the text. You can just use the text, make it look really good. If you're tired of stressing over a last-minute presentation, you just need to have the text, put it in here, give the AI a command, and watch it work its magic, just like it's doing here for the Q3 operation. I can even change the color. I can animate the text, I can do everything, and then I can go ahead and play it. Makes it very simple. So look how awesome this looks. Key metrics, challenging block and scale. Have you ever seen a presentation that looks absolutely this amazing? I bet you haven't. You owe it to yourself to check this out. And that was the presentation. This looks absolutely amazing. It looks better than anything I could have made. I can just go ahead and export it if I want. I can save the project if I need to, or I can go ahead and share it with multiple people. Say I want to share it with some team members, and I even get a link just like I would with Google. I can download as a PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, all that sort of stuff. Very simple and easy to do. If you're tired of stressing over last-minute presentations, check out the link in the description. Streamline your workflow for the next meeting. I think you'll be absolutely impressed. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.